Watch the most viral Shark Tank product that left the sharks speechless.
Are you ever in an important meeting in front of pretty important people and all of a sudden you get the hiccups? The hiccups can be really embarrassing, sometimes even painful.
Say hello to Hiccups, the most effective way that you can stop your hiccups. Amanda, just take this, give me that glass of water, just put, and drink through it. That easy.
Wow, my hiccups are gone.
How that happens?
You know, hiccups are a repeated cycle of spasms in the diaphragm, and drinking through the hiccup generates enough pressure that can stop those spasms in the diaphragm.
Amazing.